You bought a house, you got the keys. An investment, you tell the trees. But every week there's something new. Rates and bills, repairs to do. Your lawnmower's broken, the gutters leak. You're up on a ladder every week. That golden dream you thought you had, turns out, mate, it's just a fad. Spending or investing, can't you see? One's a cost, the other's legacy. A coal plant hums for a century long, but a wind farm's tune won't last that strong. A house or a car, they drain you dry, but true investments reach the sky. You bought a car shiny and sleek, but it's worth less after just 1 week. Fuel, insurance, rego too. The bills keep coming, what's the view? You call it freedom, but let's be real. The cash it costs could buy a meal. It's not a gold mine, it's a pit. You're spending cash, admit it, admit. Spending or investing, can't you see? One's a cost, the other's legacy. A rented flat might bring some gold, but a home you own costs never get old. Start a biz, make something shine. That's investing, mate, and it's divine. Hey now, what's the plan? Put your money where it can expand. Not on flash or fleeting glow, but something that grows and grows and grows. A coal plant hums for 100 years, but a wind farm's lifespan sure I fear. Subsidies, profit, power flickers, that spending, mate, it's no quick fixer. Investments pay back what you gave, while spending keeps you a working slave. So think it through, make it stick. Choose your moves and choose them quick. Spending or investing, can't you see? One's a cost, the other's legacy. A coal plant hums for a century long, but a wind farm's tune won't last that strong. A house or a car, they drain you dry, but true investments touch the sky. Oh, spending or investing, what'll it be? Build your future or just a fantasy? From Aussie soil to the open sea, investments last, believe in me.